Hey everybody, so we got a really special delivery and we didn't want to wait all the way until Monday to release it as a Mailbag Monday, so it's going to get its own video because of how special it is. As you can see, it's from IC3D and we've been waiting a long time for this. We're going to tell you what it is in just a minute. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we're Fun King 3D. All right, Xander, so if you'd like to have the honors of cutting the tape, and only the tape, don't cut yourself.
I won't make any promises.
Beautifully smooth job there, buddy. Now careful, it could be alive.
What?
Oh, it's gift wrapped.
Oh god. Oh, come on.
For FK1 use only. Love you, IC3D. And it's actually on a UPS sticker, which is awesome because now I can stick that to something. I'll get rid of the gift wrap.
No.
It's in a beautiful black box because it's PETG. Oh, this is so exciting. It's so exciting. Yeah, look, you have to lay it down this way.
Okay,
I'm
gonna
taped.
open the box.
You're gonna open the box? I can't get it out of there fast enough.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you for the first time ever the official Fun King 3D Yellow PETG
From IC3D.
made by IC3D, and I'm sure this is a one-off, but check out that label. Oh, it is glorious. It is glorious in color. It is exactly what we needed. Now, for those of you who don't know the story, we have always claimed the Fun King 3D Yellow to be Hatchbox's filament. And unfortunately, it's gotten very difficult to get a Hatchbox. And so I began to look for other yellows, mainly in PETG, and they're either too pale, or they're too orange, or they're just not right.
Lemony.
So through some massive amount of begging and pleading and sucking up and making funny videos and graphics, we were finally able to get the guys over at IC3D to agree to make a yellow that falls into the shade that we want. And this is 803C Pantone yellow, which is exactly what we wanted. And they were kind enough to make a filament in the color that we wanted. And we just cannot thank you guys enough for doing this. All joking aside, I was losing sleep over it because I needed this filament to progress with the FK1, and it just couldn't be found anywhere. And Hatchbox just didn't seem to be able to meet the bill anymore. They just can't get it. And you guys stepped up to the plate. And I mean, it's more than I could ever have truly asked for. To have a filament company be willing to custom make a color for our needs is unbelievable. So now all we have to do is get it officially named Fun King 3D Yellow, and my life would be complete. That would seal off a lot of my bucket list. But you guys, this is awesome, and we super appreciate it. And for you guys that don't know about the FK1 yet, which again, I can't believe that you wouldn't as much as I talk about it, there'll be a link to the trailer video below. There will also be links to IC3D if you've not tried their filament. It is fantastic. I was gifted to have a roll of their PETG before it was ever released to the public. In fact, only 2 rolls were made in the beginning, and I had one of the 2. and I ran it through an extensive amount of testing, which there will be a video coming on that, and the stuff is incredibly strong. We printed at 260 degrees on a 90-degree bed. I'm printing parts with a 40% infill for strength requirements, and I absolutely cannot break the parts with my bare hands, and it's fantastic. So
I won't make any promises that this will be for FK1 use only, because I want to print a rocket with this.
No, it's not going to happen. That is strictly for FK1 use.
Oh man.
If there's any left over, then you can do something else with it. But again, super
doubt
thanks
it.
out to IC3D. Go check out their stuff. Try their filament. Their PLA is great too. As I understand, there is a yellow PLA coming in the same color, which is tremendous as well. And remember that if you need a good yellow PETG, make sure that you hop over to IC3Dprinters.com and order some up, and make sure you always refer to it as Fun King 3D Yellow. And we're going to start that hashtag on Twitter. So I'm so glad that we could share this with everybody, and I would love to have your guys' comments and feedback on what you think of this, and what you think about IC3D for being awesome enough to do that for us. And I love the fact that it's made right here on U.S. soil. I know that doesn't say a lot for the guys over in Europe, but
or in Canada, or in any other.
Well, it's Northern America if you're in Canada, we're
yeah.
neighbors, we're touching. Yeah. So previously on Fun King 3D.
Why couldn't IC3D make Fun King 3D yellow PETG?
One of the most important things now that this roll of IC3D PETG is here, that means no more nightmares for you, buddy.
Yeah.
No more test parts in eSun. Actually, I've been printing all the test parts now in IC3D black.
Oh.
So, but yeah, that's awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. As always, print on.